Hello, dear students. I hope you all are doing very well as you are preparing for your GPAT exam. I wish you all the best for your upcoming GPAT exam, that is GPAT 2021. So, this is the channel created for you all to revise the chemistry portion, specifically pharmaceutical organic chemistry, in order to revise at the last moment. So, as you all knows that the NTA has decided to increase the number of questions from chemistry portion, or you can say pharmaceutical organic chemistry portion. So by joining this channel, you can expect that you will get the latest update or the new video which I am going to prepare by keeping in mind the content from the chemistry portion that you all can revise it at the last moment. Okay, so as we have very less time, so definitely you are going to benefit and you may get the questions from the topic or from the content why what I will cover here. So you can revise it. So definitely it would be beneficial for you all. So now today's topic, as you can see the title, limit test. So the limit test is a part of pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry, semester 1. Sometimes we used to we forget to revise that portion, or we may forget that particular chapter, the limit test. So now by seeing today's video, definitely you will be able to recall the limit test. What is that limit test? What kind of questions can be asked from the limit test? So let's start today's session. As you can see the limit. What is limit? A value or amount that is likely to present in a substance. The test to identify or investigate impurities. As you all knows, impurities, any undesired substance. A limit test. So the limit test can be defined as quantitative or semi-quantitative test designed to identify and control a small quantity of impurity which is likely to present in a substance. It can be active pharmaceutical ingredients. Okay, the important sentence, as you can see here, limit test generally carried out to determine the inorganic impurities in substance or in API. So whenever we will talk about the inorganic impurity, we must have to perform the limit test in order to quantify, in order to get idea how much inorganic impurity and what are that inorganic impurity present in API. So for organic impurity, we can purify the API or substance or organic compound by column chromatography. Okay, but we can also purify by the recrystallization. But in case of inorganic impurities, we have to perform the limit test. So now let's see. I will I have summarized this limit test. So let's see that summary as a table. So as you can see here, the limit test. So column 1 include limit test for chloride, limit test for sulfate, limit test for iron, limit test for lead, limit test for arsenic. Okay. So what is important in that, from where the question can come, that is the important thing. Okay. So we will focus only on that important thing, from where the question can come, because we have very less time, so we cannot waste our time unnecessarily. So here the column 1 limit test, the column 2 is telling about the standard compound which is used to prepare the standard solution, the catalyst and medium. So medium depending on the catalyst which is used in that limit test. The fourth one, concentration of a standard solution. This is very important. It can be asked like, what is the standard sodium chloride solution in case of limit test for chloride? So your answer must be 25 ppm. So as you can see here, this is very well summarized table. So in the last moment you can revise it without wasting that much time. In the second last column, there is an observation and the reason behind that observation, as you can see. So the observation, what we observed in limit test for chloride, that is the turbidity. So the turbidity is because of AgCl, silver chloride, because it is insoluble in water in acidic condition. Similarly, the turbidity in case of limit test for sulfate, because of the barium sulfate. Barium sulfate is insoluble in water, so it will give you the turbidity. In case of limit test of iron, we used to observe the purple color because of the ferrous thioglycolate complex. In case of limit test of lead, we are observing the red violet color because of the Deathy zone complex. In limit test of arsenic, we used to observe the yellow color in mercury chloride paper because of the arsine gas evolved during the reaction in gadget apparatus. I hope you all are aware that gadget apparatus. So the apparatus, the last column including the apparatus. So as you can see, or you all are aware that the apparatus used in limit test is Nessler cylinder. So the limit test for chloride, limit test for sulfate, limit test for iron, carried out in Nestler cylinder, but the exception are these two: limit test for lead, limit test for arsenic. These two, as you can see, they required other than Nestler cylinder. So limit test of lead is carried out by using the separating funnel, and the limit test of arsenic is carried out in gadget apparatus. So I hope this information will be beneficial for you all to revise the limit test in the last moment. So you join the channel, subscribe, and you can also write the comment if you need any specific topic from the pharmaceutical organic chemistry. So I would love to prepare the content for that also. All the best for your upcoming GPAT exam.